Welcome and hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're at the Tankut room. Location is Nicole West. Set in the mode is extract the VIP. This is one of our home terrains here around Russe. And the game started pretty well for me. I was literally eliminated right at the start by a sniper fire, and my GoPro decided to overheat. Hence you have this footage from my selfie cam. And here I'm advancing on enemy positions, trying to complete my first mission in the game, which was to capture a certain green building, where I'm moving right now. I'm literally watching my teammate getting eliminated here. And I was silent. And now, time for the stalk, deploy an aid. I literally heard him from a mile away with my impacts.
Моля? Не съм.
By the way, spoiler alert, this is the last time you're watching me zooming in from my GoPro like this, hopefully.
Абе, покрива, техен ли е? Долу са пъгал!
And here I thought the roof was ours, and I got...
Hit!
And here the last push of the enemy. Literally the game was not that long, because the enemy were able to push. Yeah, here we eliminated most of them, but they were able to get to the roof and extract their VIP.
Да. Маркирайте се, ре! Аз не виждам жилетка!
Sorry, but mark yourselves if you're hit.
Опитвам са. Не е толкова лесно. Къде?
I literally dismissed his warning.
Добре, разбрахте.
My teammate making bank with that pistol.
Браво. Къса.
And that's all she wrote. I know this was a short one, but still, nonetheless, the game was really nice. On that note, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys next one. Until then, as I said earlier, mark yourselves when you're hit.